Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can adjust your graphic in game in case you are running the Call of Duty Mobile in low end Android phone or high performance phone. You can adjust it for performance or beauty graphic mode. So what you need to do is click the setting button at the top of your screen. Yes, and as you can see, there are some of setting you can adjust in the left of your screen. So click the audio and graphics. So there are three tabs here: effect, audio, and graphic. What you need to do is the graphic option here. As you can see, you can adjust the graphic if you are running in low end or low performance gadget or phone. You can adjust it in low mode. If you want to see a beauty without concerning your performance or overheating your phone or your Android, you can set it in very high. So the benefit, if you are set in very high or even high and medium, you can change BR mode graphic style also, like dynamic, realistic, or nostalgia. This is the effect, the picture effect. If you are going to dynamic, it's more vibrant, or nostalgia is more vintage. And also you can adjust anti-aliasing in here, and also if you can turn off all the effect or all the setting to improve your performance, prevent overheating, and conserve your battery power. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.